Now let's see how we can make this into a Vego cover. First, you got to pop off the clips in the elevated garden bed. That's the center clip right there. That's the edge. The plug comes off. And then you pull out the four corners and the pieces for the bottom where they attach. The hole in the corner, you put the bolt in and the nuts in the back and a perfect little slot for it. And it screws in real easy. Once you're done, you have your four corners up, and that's where you start. After that, you get the pieces that go across the top, and there's one that hooks onto the center pipe. I didn't put the pipe all the way in and secure it until I got it put together and made sure I had it facing the right way. Once I had it the right way, I got a rubber mallet and tapped it into the hole in the center where it fit firmly. Now I got the rails up and it's looking good. I also have the center rails going up and down. Then you have to put in the side rail and the top rails. There's 13 of them, but you screw them in only from the front side, leave the back side disconnected, because the rails you see leaning on the elevated bed go across the back to form the trellis. When you screw it in to the side, it goes into the pipes you have that go up the side and across the top. So what I did was put the middle in first. Got them in so I could play with the ends, put them up and down, and control it really easy. It went together well and did a great job. And then once you have it all together, it's reinforced. The trellis is there. Everything is looking good. At this point, you get the cover. Put it on top. You'll see how it goes. Make sure you have the side that opens up on the right side away from the trellis in the back. Then there's a lot of ties inside, so you're going to have to tie it and secure it to the trellis and reinforcement pipes in the frame. You have Velcro throughout, and there's two places where you have to tie. So you got the corners, the top, the sides. You'll find them all. Just secure them up. It works really good. Then there's a strap on each end. So once you have it on, you just put it a little snug so it stays good. You don't want it too tight because the zipper has to go down each side, and it's going to be a little tougher if it's too tight. And then open it up. You roll it up, and then there's Velcro once it gets up there to the top, and then you just touch the Velcro to the Velcro that's already up top, and it holds it open. It's a great system. It works really well. So I went from this to this. I think it's going to be a great cover. It's very sturdy. The trellis is good. It'll shield my plants from the bright Central California sun. And I can open it up whenever I want it to breathe and make sure it can get pollinated. Now we're done. Hope you enjoy your Vego elevated planter cover. I know I'm going to enjoy mine.